The very first thing you got to think about when you mention the name or you think about the name GoSmallBiz Business Plan Software is to know that this is a very solid, innovative business plan software tool. And actually, it was started by NFL Hall of Famer and veteran entrepreneur Fran Tarkenton. And what we love here is that we love the fact that you have a constellation of features in this small business software tool. In today's conversation, I want to do a review. I want to do a deep review so you have a clear understanding of what the program is all about. So let's first give you a synopsis. So what is actually a GoSmallBiz business plan software? Basically, as I said before, so Fran Tarkenton started this about 25 years ago. And what we love about this software tool is that you have I would say a multitude of industry-specific templates that actually create the exact documents that you would need if you were to actually, if you'll be looking for an actual business plan. And what we also love the fact that when you actually go into GoSmallBiz, you have a step-by-step wizard that really helps you set up a business plan by filling up business details in multiple segments. So you really don't have to do anything. I mean, you have to do something, but we love the fact that the survey sort of process makes things a lot easier. Another helpful tool that we love about this GoSmallBiz business plan software is that you have a very sophisticated online calendar management. So you can schedule events, you can schedule meetings and appointments and get automatic reminders. In addition to that, this software tool lets you generate financial statements and projections automatically. Okay. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here and to have this quick convo with you about GoSmallBiz business plan software. So if you are right now, whether you are an entrepreneur, whether you are a business owner, whether you are a financial advisor, or you're just running an incubator and you need a very solid business plan software, you might want to check out GoSmallBiz business plan software. We love the fact that this program also has a CRM tool embedded, so client relationship management. So this is really good. So you can use it for client relationship management, but other stuff as well. I want to talk to you now about the features. See, the whole thing is when we talk about GoSmallBiz, we see, I think I've said this before, we see a bevy of features, but not just features that are not relevant. What we love about GoSmallBiz is that you can actually scale the features depending on the growth stage where you're currently at. You might find some features more important than others. So right off the bat, you have a step-by-step guide that walks you through every single step. So no need to have a PhD in business plan writing. You can really write any type of business plan with no problem because we have the questionnaire. You have about 100 to 150 business templates. You have financial projections and statements galore. You have reports that are based on your financial data. So this will be based on the data that you actually inputted. And this software can actually integrate with major social media channels such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other tools such as MailChimp. So this is kind of cool. I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. Again, boss, I want to contextualize the conversation. So this is an in-depth GoSmallBiz business plan software review. So sort of talking about the features. So besides what I just told you, you also have, of course, the business plan itself. So basically, depending on the industry, so when you actually log into the program, you will have to choose which industry you want to focus on. And basically, the program will automatically create a business plan for you. So you have educational materials. So as you create your business plan, you'll find video tutorials teaching you about different sections of a business plan. You also have unlimited business consultations that you can actually you can avail yourself with when it comes to the GoSmallBiz staff. And you have other tools, like for example, you have you are able to build a website, track basic accounting. I'm talking about debits and credits. Nothing sophisticated though. Like you're not going to be able to do through GoSmallBiz whatever you can do with say QuickBooks, right, or Zoho Books, or Wave or Xero. But you can create basic legal documents. You can create basic accounting reports. You can write corporate minutes. Okay, and the cool thing here is that GoSmallBiz has a customer service department that's available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. through 7 p.m. Eastern. So this is kind of cool. So when we talk about GoSmallBiz, of course, the features are important, but there is something that really differentiates this software tool from others, and this is what we call the value added. It's important to understand that you are able to actually use whatever data you currently have, and you can actually power your business through that. You can use the data that you have and power your business through GoSmallBiz software. What we love about the GoSmallBiz is that you have an opportunity to do a lot of things depending on the program, depending on the plan that you have. So I'll speak about pricing later on, but I just want to quickly say that GoSmallBiz has actually 3 plans. They have the Grow, the Guide, and the Go plan. And the Grow plan is the basic, the Guide is the middle, and the Go plan is actually the top. And so based on the program that you have, the plan that you have, you can actually do a lot of stuff. And we love the fact that GoSmallBiz has actually calibrated the market, has actually calibrated its effort based on the operational stage that your business is at, and also the ambition that you have. So if you are in the grow category, it means that you're trying to move up the ladder, right? The competitive ladder. If you are in the guide category, that means you're trying to maintain some type of momentum that you have created. And if you want to go, that means you're really going after strong leadership in the market, and also as well you want to have also massive market share. So what we love is that GoSmallBiz has actually a series of capabilities, of modules and functionalities within the software that will actually help you get there. For example, you can create your new business identity. You can draft your bylaws and our operating agreement. You can create your business website. You can build your business plan automatically. Okay. Again, I want to insist on the fact that you don't have to have a PhD in accounting or a PhD in business plan writing to be able to use the tool. It's very user friendly. We love the UX and the UI here, so this is kind of cool. And they've been doing this, and GoSmallBiz has been doing this, as I said, for the last more than 20 years. So this is really good. Let me quickly talk to you about the process here. So when we mention GoSmallBiz, obviously we need to understand that GoSmallBiz is actually a cloud-based program. So the program is delivered entirely over the web. So do not actually expect any sort of CD or whatever. No, basically it is a template-driven organization. So it is actually a plan, template-driven, that actually helps you do a lot of things. You can do business planning. You can do you have access to modules, functionalities. What we love here, and again, I want to insist on the fact that when we talk about GoSmallBiz, this is just a product one of the products that Tarkenton companies has on the market. They do a lot of things. As I said before, they actually have an HR document builder. They have a CRM, a client relationship management software tool. So what Fran Tarkenton is trying to create. He's trying to create, in our view, based on our analysis, when we have extensively analyzed his latest projects, he's trying to do something similar to Zoho or something similar to Monday.com. So he wants to have a constellation of programs within a suite. So you have, so if you actually sign up with the Grow, the Go, or the Go, or the Go program, the Guide, the Grow, or the Go program, you'll have access to a lot of things. So this is kind of cool. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about GoSmallBiz. This is an in-depth review. I'm actually showing you a lot of things, all the pros and cons of this program, and how do you actually use it to your advantage. So the thing is, when you start out with GoSmallBiz, you need to fill out your company's information. I'm talking about your legal name, the common name, the physical address, the web address, and then you have to put in a couple of things like the industry you're in. Okay. And so basically, based on the industry you're in, the program will actually will recommend to you a variety of templates. So you have categories and subcategories of templates. So you have templates, and based on things are very very, very smooth, very seamless. Okay, very so, and then you have to put in some basic information about the legal structure of your company, all that kind of stuff. And what will happen here is that you have a step by step that will be guiding you from the executive summary of the business plan all the way to the appendices. So everything is really clear. You have a constellation of smart financials that are really they're embedded into the program. You have also we have a plan wizard that's very simple, that has scored very highly on our UX and UI sort of rankings. So this is kind of cool. And you have so the financials are very deep, from balance sheet to income statement to statement of owner's equity and cash flows. And you can have actual and also projected. Let me talk to you about the pros and cons now. I first want to start with the pros. So we talk about the good, okay? So when we talk about GoSmallBiz, what are we talking about? What are we seeing? What do we like? Well, we love the fact that you have a wide range of industry-based templates, right? Very specific templates. So you're looking at 100, 150. That's a lot. That's really good. You have multiple educational videos. We love that a lot. You have unlimited mentoring and business consultations. So when you actually sign up with GoSmallBiz, you have access to a bevy of mentoring and business consultations. You have customized reporting. You have several additional business tools. And the beauty of all this is that you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is kind of cool. So you know that, hey, listen, they're comfortable and confident in their ability to make you happy. Otherwise, they wouldn't have offered this, okay? So you basically have advice from business experts. You can actually you can configure your business plan. I mean, as a matter of fact, right off the bat, any GoSmallBiz produced business plan is highly configurable and very detailed too. So the level of granularity here is just unmatched, unparalleled, and we love that a lot. And so you're able to generate financial statements and projections without outside spreadsheet software, right? You don't need Excel or Google Sheets or whatever, or even QuickBooks, okay? And so you also have links to third-party services. You have different. We also love the fact that you have different subscription tiers, right? You have the Grow, the Guide, and the Go services. So this is really good. Of course, you have strong customer support that's available Monday through Friday at the time that I told you. And so this is kind of cool. So overall, you have the ability to do a lot of things. On top of that, we also love the fact that this GoSmallBiz software tool integrates very well with third-party services, in addition to helping you actually with financial projections. And we're not talking about financial projections that are very superficial, though. You can be as granular as you need to. I mean, it can be very, very deep. So this is kind of cool and see, the whole thing is that they have educational videos throughout the whole process anyway. So in addition to that, you also have unlimited business consultations. So the bottom line here is that the output that you can get cannot be bad, right? It will be fantastic, especially because you have all that support. Let me talk to you about the not so good, right? So we spoke about the pros. Now we want to have a conversation about the cons. So when you think about GoSmallBiz, one thing we don't like is that the interface is outdated. So Fran, if you're listening to us, or your team is listening to us, please invest a little bit in the UI. I mean, the UX is good, the user experience is good, but the user interface could be better. Okay, so please, we love your products, but please do it. So you also have a limited business plan features, and this is something that we have been saying for a while now. So it's just as if like GoSmallBiz, they don't want to push a little further. I mean, at a moment where some small business products are like rolling out updates every now and then, here we have GoSmallBiz they're just chilling, they're just resting on their laurels, and it's a bad idea. So please do a little bit of work in that department. And in our view, the plan you have an expensive monthly cost compared to alternatives, and you don't have like an annual subscription package. And this software program only exports to PDFs and Microsoft Word. You have a few simple business plans. So they have a large constellation of actual business plans, but they don't have that many they don't have that many free, simple business plans. So this is something that they need to fix because right now this is not working. And one thing you need to understand here is that in terms of the pricing, we believe that GoSmallBiz can do better because right now, the way things are, you can think of this as a very complicated pricing structure, and it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be. People are already busy with building a real business and writing a business plan. Why should they have to go through all the hoops just to know how much you're charging? So GoSmallBiz, you want to fix that. This is really important. This is making you lose money, and so you want to fix that. You want to really, I'm talking about really sitting down and say, how do we come up with something streamlined, something very simple, something very relatable. So this will help you a lot. So speaking about pricing, I want you to see right now, here is a pricing as of the date of this show. So when you think about GoSmallBiz, what we love is that at least they have a trifecta. So whether you need to grow, you need to have guidance, or you need to go, right? And this is kind of cool. So we love that. Now the only thing is that overall, GoSmallBiz's plans and pricing are pretty convoluted. The company offers monthly or annual subscriptions for specific products or bundles of products and one-time fees for certain services. And like most enterprise software, there are discounts that are available when you pay for a yearly subscription instead of a monthly one, right? GoSmallBiz's products are divided into three categories I just mentioned before. So you have the Grow, the Go, and the Guide. And Go is for businesses just starting the need to incorporate as a formal business entity. Grow is for incorporated businesses seeking to reach new customers online, and for example, sales or revenue. And Guide is for consultation or business endeavors with experts provided by GoSmallBiz. So you probably can see on the screen the prices for Go, Guide, and Grow. And so additionally, GoSmallBiz offers $15 monthly subscriptions for two software tools. So they have the HR document builder and business plan software. And the company also has a $99 annual subscription service for Manage My Minutes and a one-time $69 charge to apply for a federal tax ID with the Internal Revenue Service. So you can see that this company is trying to really, really do a few things here and there that normally are done by bigger companies like a Zen Business or Inkfile, or there are other people that specializes in doing something like this. So it's important. And one thing I also want to mention here in terms of pricing, make sure that you are going to need the tool on a monthly basis. Like you're going to need the tool, I would say, consistently. Because don't just get it because you really feel like getting it. You have to have a goal. You need to have a motto at the business level that should drive you to get that. That sort of. If you want to go with the goal, the guide, or the grow, whatever plan you choose, make sure you have a strong rationale for it. Because again, there will be moments when you will need to refer back to that rationale and say, okay, you know what? This is why I'm in this game. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Today's conversation, I was just quickly talking to you about GoSmallBiz, and this was an in-depth review. So let me just quickly recap our conversation here. So I spoke to you about, I gave you a synopsis, the features, the value added, the process, the good, the not so good, and the pricing. And I just basically, I love the fact that this could really help you. I hope that it has helped you. I'll see you next time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.